Hey Anna, what you doing? Can you show me your markers? What color are they? Show me what color. What color is that one?
Black.
That is black. What color is that one?
Red.
It is red. What color is that one?
Brown.
Brown.
Marker.
Brown marker. What color is that one?
Purple.
Purple. Good job.
Marker.
What color is that one?
Blue.
Blue. Good job.
Marker.
What color is that one?
Yellow.
Yellow. Very good. You got some crayons in there too, huh? What color is that?
Blue.
Blue. What color is that?
Red.
Red. Can you tell me what color this one is?
Orange.
Orange. Very good. What color is that? No, you're just going to stack them. She doesn't like to color with markers right now. She just likes to organize them and tell me what colors they are, which works out well for Mom.
Daisy. Daisy.
That is a butterfly. That is a flower. Can you tell me who those are? Who's on your stickers? Who is that?
Daisy.
Grover. Very good. Who else is on there?
Mother.
Monster. Where's Monster? No, that's Big Bird. Where's Abby?
No.
No. Okay. Tell the camera bye-bye. Gonna go color. Say bye-bye. Gonna go color. Are you gonna go swimming today? Yeah, you're focused. Bye-bye.